back to another video, guys. We are in downtown Disney. We have some reservations to eat somewhere really good later, as well as it's 4th of July, so we're gonna be hopefully finding a spot. Yeah, so if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. But first, we are in a hunt for Miss Cruella. Where's Cruella de Vil? Where's Cruella? Where's Cruella? You love Cruella?
Yeah. Show me. Cruella dress.
Look at how beautiful, dude. Would you wear this? It's so pretty.
It's not too big.
It is not too big. Oh, we're about to use your skin to make a dress.
Oh my god.
I've been seeing the Bobble Bar stuff everywhere.
I don't know.
$55, not bad. Not bad, babe, not bad.
Mickeys. I wish.
Oh, they are hidden Mickeys. I wonder if they're fireworks for like 4th of July.
Look at these.
These belts, that's pretty cute.
AM, PM. Sick.
I just wanna be a dog.
We gotta put some of that stuff back, baby.
I got money
Where?
at home. I can buy something that.
Do the force, do the force. Can you do the force? Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he's choking safe. This pin legit looks like those chocolate candies.
I know. I want it.
It's so big.
It's like a gold medallion.
Whoa.
Look at Jasmine. And it's magnetic.
What is this?
I fixed
It's
it.
all the windows of Main Street. This is the Roy Disney one. Did you see that? That's the Cruella car, dude.
What kind of car is that?
All right, we are headed into dinner. Look at this, guys, right inside the Grand Californian. It's Doug's birthday. Dinner's on me, Doug.
Yeah?
Dinner's on me, Doug. We got a little limit, though. I'm gonna give you a limit. This hotel is just beautiful. Grand Californian. Look at this mural over here.
Did you get married here?
Yeah, look.
Imagine, I can't wait to come to someone else's wedding here. So we're in the wedding garden right here. So you would walk down right here and get married over there?
Okay.
Is that where it's at?
No, this is a damn stage.
Oh, so you're on this.
Yes.
And look at that, guys, the fireplace.
So you walk this way, like them. Look, check them out. They're getting it.
Dun, 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 dun. Clap for them, clap for them.
No. I'm out. We gotta go eat.
Wait, do you take Douglas, also known as Doug and
I
Doggy?
still don't know your middle name.
Don't worry about it, all right?
USA.
Anyways,
Doug Clinton.
wedding we just had, you missed it.
Sorry.
Are you
This is
really?
kind
You
of a...
take him as your lovely boyfriend.
This right here is the Craftsman's grill that we're gonna be eating at, guys. It's awesome because it is poolside to the Grand Californian Hotel. It also has a bar right here. As you guys can see, you can order and you walk down the steps right onto the pool. I don't know if this is gonna fill me up. I haven't ate today.
Let's eat our You can share my nachos.
My dude, what is that?
That's an egg.
That is not an egg.
Is it rude if I eat before you guys get your food? Look at your mouth watering, dude. I caught that on camera.
I was eating a french fry.
He was trying to think about what to say. Oh no, I was.
Hey guys, so this is only beans and cheese.
Oh, that's fine.
So this is
That's
what?
not cheese.
Thank you so much.
Just be very careful with the plates. They are hot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy, guys.
Yo, what's this?
Cheese.
It's not cheese.
That's
Yeah,
the
it
cheese
is.
that you told him not to put on there.
Oh, that's
It
the
is.
cheese.
It
I
really
told
is.
him not to put it on there.
Is it good? First bite. It's good. You have cucumbers. It's very odd. Oh, pickle. Oh, pickle. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually good. What'd you get, Ellie?
Got chicken tenders, then they got ketchup and french fries. Yummy.
What is this, a wonton?
Oh, hey girl, can I have a bite of that?
Yeah, you can have a bite.
It's not good?
It's good. It's really good.
Am I supposed to be using a fork? I'm joking.
Testing. Had to run to the car real quick to grab some jackets because the temperature is dropping. Guys, so many fireworks being shot around the parks. You can hear it non-stop. You can see it too. Hear it? Oh, there's one right there. Perfect timing. We have made it almost to the Esplanade, guys. That was a lot, huh? With to navigate. This is insane, dude.
I didn't. We should have came earlier.
Dude, your glasses are over there.
Sorry, bro. Ellie just kicked him in your face. No more, okay? Scared me! Yeah!
USA!
We just watched fireworks and look. Firework Mickey. That was just a little taste, okay, Doug? I know you're disappointed right now.
Hey, why are you disappointed? We get to see fireworks
I'm a
on
little-
the 4th of July outside of Disneyland. That's dope.
I guess it's true. Where do you usually watch fireworks
You
at?
get to see fireworks like
Exactly, so why are you complaining?
I didn't complain.
Are you kidding me?
I spent a lot of money on this.
so ungrateful. Why did we take you? Why did we choose you? We should chose.
Yeah, why did we choose you?
What did he say?
So ungrateful. Why do we choose you?
My birthday, okay?
Happy
Birthday to Doug. Happy birthday to Doug. Happy birthday to Doug. Happy birthday to... What's our plan? What time are we going to get here? What time are we going to be online?
7.
7?
Here's the thing. Kelly Bay said it's better to come an hour after the
No, we ain't doing that.
because there's no lines or nothing.
Mondo.
Oh, Mondo.
He told Jasmine directly.
So either
He
we
called
come
you up
here,
and said,
I can't talk.
I can hear you just fine.
Noah's probably dead. Meanwhile, guys, my kids are about to fall asleep. My other kid is asleep. What's up, Noah?
What?
I got on the cars, man. You didn't even believe it.
You did?
Yes, I did.
What'd you do?
I went on the cars land.
Dude.
High five, boy.
Was it awesome?
Yeah, I went on 25 miles.
High five, babe. Woo!
Guess what? Ellie's gonna go on it for the first time too.
Actually, I'm going on the fast one. My dad.
Oh, no.
My dad.
Guys, today's vlog was all over the place, but if you're deciding to go to the parks during 4th of July and watch the fireworks in the Esplanade, I would say probably not to do it. This is how it felt. I feel like I wasn't invited to the wedding, but I'm looking through the window. In the end, it was a free, cool experience, but there was no music. There was, I don't know, it just did not feel like we were actually there. We were just watching from a far distance, couldn't hear anything, couldn't hear any music. So if you're going to go on 4th of July, make sure you're in the parks. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. We'll see you on the next one.